In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted events Google Calendar. If you accidentally removed a meeting or a reminder, don't worry, Google Calendar makes it simple to bring it back. I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few tips so you know what to expect along the way. Start by opening your web browser and going to google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that owns the calendar where the event lived. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps icon, the small grid of dots, and then choose Calendar from the list. This takes you straight into Google Calendar. Once Calendar is open, look toward the top right of the screen for the gear-shaped settings icon. Click that, then choose Settings from the drop-down. On the left side of the settings page, you'll see a menu. Find and click Trash. In some regions it may be labeled Bin, but it's the same place where recently deleted events are stored. Here you'll see a list of events that were removed. Google keeps deleted items here for a limited time, typically 30 days. So if you don't see what you're looking for, it may be too old or it might be on a different calendar. Double check that you're in the correct account and calendar if something seems missing. Now locate the event you want to bring back. Click the checkbox next to that event to select it. You can select more than one if needed. After selecting, look for the return arrow icon near the top of the list. This is the restore control. Click the return arrow and Google Calendar will immediately move the event out of trash and back to your calendar. When an event is restored, it returns to its original date, time, and calendar, along with details like the location and description. If it was a recurring series, restoring a single deleted instance brings back just that one occurrence. Restoring the series brings back the whole set. You can head back to your main calendar view to confirm it's there and adjust any details if plans have changed since it was deleted. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the trash option, you might be using a mobile app. This process works best on a desktop browser. If you were invited to an event by someone else and removed it, restoring it brings it back to your calendar without needing a new invitation. And if you accidentally restore the wrong item, you can always return to trash and remove it again. That's it. Your deleted event is now restored and ready to go.